Hello everyone, welcome to Asian Home Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to cook popular stir-fry noodle from Thailand. It is a pad see ew and of course it's easy and delicious. Let's get started. First, we're gonna make stir-fry sauce. I use mushroom soy sauce, healthy boiled bean, 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. This one is a classic Thai oyster sauce. I remember that I used this since I was young until now. It's still good and you can easily to find it in Asian grocery or online. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. You can use any kind of dark soy sauce you like. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then mix well. When you add the dark sauce, you don't need to add a lot to make it darker. Just make it light color that the pad see ew is supposed to be. Okay, I'm gonna marinate prawn. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix very well. Then leave it for 15 minutes. But if you don't like soy sauce, you add a little bit salt to taste. It also tastes very good as well. I got 2 cloves of garlic and chop it. You can also use mortar and pestle to release more aroma if you like. To cut Chinese kale, I'm gonna remove the leaf. Then slice the top in thin slices. Remove the leaf from the stem, and I want to keep the stem, but if you don't like, you just use the leaf. You can also use broccoli and bok choy as well. Cut the leaves in half. When cutting the carrots, I will cut on an angle for appearance. The noodles, I use this one. They're pretty thicker, but just only one that I can find in my area. However, you can use any kind of noodle you like, okay? Alright, it's time to cooking. Add a little bit cooking oil in. When the oil hot, add a half of the garlic in. Stir fry until the garlic bright golden brown. And then add the prawn in. Stir fry until the prawn well done. And then set them aside. After that, add a little more oil. And then add the rest of garlic. Stir fry until the garlic is golden brown. Add the carrots in. Stir fry the carrots a couple minutes. Then add the noodles in. Stirring the noodle for a couple minutes. Then I'm gonna add the water in to soften the noodles. When the noodle getting softened, I'm gonna add the Chinese kale stem in. To make sure the noodles soften, you just taste it. If they wasn't soft, you just add a little more water and stir fry for a minute. Alright, next step we're gonna add a little more cooking oil and then add 2 eggs in. Break the egg and mix it in the noodles. And then add stir fry sauce in. And then we're gonna mix everything very well. Alright, before turn the heat off, I'm gonna add the leaf in. And I like to add a little bit white pepper in. It smells good. Mix everything very well. And then add the prawn in. That's it. Turn the heat off. We're done. In Thailand, we have the seasoning to add in the noodles, such as chili flake, sugar, vinegar, or lime. So you can add those seasoning for your taste. Alright, see, it's easy, right? You can check my recipe in description below this video. Now, it's time to taste it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm so happy. It absolutely tastes good. If you don't like shrimp, you can add chicken, pork, beef, whatever you like. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye!